I love how these look and how it makes me feel. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samantha. It's actually Lash Day. I use the Veyes 5-second Newbie lashes. I'm almost out, so I have to do like the 16th with these ones here for a little bit, which is okay. But my lash map that I do is like 8, 10, 12, and 14. So it's gives it like that bold look, but it's very natural looking, which as a mom of 2, I like to be able to have like less time to get myself ready and more time with the kids. So when I get up, I kind of brush up my lashes, do my hair, either throw it up or put like a braid and be out the door or be done for the day. So it comes with the bond and a sealer, and then it comes with like tweezers, and then it also comes with the lash remover. So I like to do my lashes like I like to put on like a new set on Saturday. I'll take my set off on Fridays, put a new set on Saturdays, just kind of have like a Friday like self-care kind of thing. Anyways, so I like to start off with curling my lashes a little bit, not too much, and then I'll take my spoolie and I'll brush my lashes, and then I will take the bond here. It has like a little curvature kind of thing. I wonder if you can see it. There we go. And then I will apply the bond to my lashes. Make sure they're good. And I say apply a little bit, but trying to make them last an entire week. But because I'm constantly moving around, sweating, everything like that, so these actually stick and stay. So I'll start off with the 14, which they're very, very, oops, knocking stuff over. There we go. They're wispy. And then I will apply a little bit of the bond onto the band here. And then let it dry a little second. And then I will apply it to the lash line and give it a little push. And then I move on to my size 12, do the same. Apply it to the lash line. I kind of overlap them a little bit. And give it a little push. One second. And then I move on to size 10. I use a different kind of set of tweezers to apply my lashes. Size 8. Snow monkey. Apply the bond to the band. And then apply this one. And push. So like they don't ever line up like how I want them to. Sometimes I think just how like my eyes are. How my eyes are. But this is what it looks like. Girl. So let me do the other side and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so now I got both lashes done, both sides done. I am going to apply the bond with the tweezers that it came with. So what I'll do is I will take this little ball part here and I will just go under, and then I will take it between the tweezers. And I will just crump them together. And then do it again. Go onto the other side and squeeze and squeeze. And then there you have it. That's how I do my lashes. I also did forgot to mention that as a postpartum second time mom, it does help with help boost that confidence with dealing with like all the postpartum things. But I absolutely love how these look and how it makes me feel, because I'm just like kind of way or kind of thing. And but yeah, I absolutely love these. And yeah, hope y'all enjoy. I will leave the link down below in the description for the lashes that I use, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.